Today we'll talk about how can you change to dark mode on your Tappytoon app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do is to change it to dark mode. You just go down here. You click here on more down here. You just click on it here. So when you click here on more here, so it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here. You just keep going down. So then you click here on settings here, just click on settings. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. You click here on theme, so you just click on it. It's going to show for you a list like this here. So then here you click here on dark theme here, then also you click here on done. So then automatically it's going to change with you to dark mode on your Tappytoon app. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.